Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a full-on review on this vacuum I purchased on Amazon. The name is Buture car vacuum cleaner. You have it. I chose this because it had 10 feet wire and I looked at the other review. It looked really good. There's so many choices in Amazon, but I just decided on this and winged it. So I did try this on to see how good the suction is, and it worked pretty well, so I was very excited to film it. But today is the first time I am doing a full vacuuming on this vehicle since winter. So now it is 11 degrees here in Yellowknife. Summer is starting, and I thought today would be great to record this for you guys, and I'm getting tired of this gross vehicle. So I will do that here today, and I'm gonna set this up here right now. So yeah, obviously I have to turn it on because the power, oh, see that? I already used it. There's already some garbage from last time here. Not used it, but I just tested it. So this is the wire. It is really long. I don't think I'd have an issue to go in the back and everywhere in there. So I'm gonna plug it in here. Alrighty. This is the vacuum here. Oh yeah, it's already on. Okay. Alright, so it's on. Alrighty. So it comes with extra filter. There's already a filter there installed. It comes with a brush to clean and it comes with a few handles here. So it's pretty long. So I'm gonna try this long one here because I want to do the cup holders here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna move this item here in the back. Alrighty, back up my seat a little bit. Get some air here. And then go down. So far it suctions pretty well. I've tried to do the testing for the first time to try the machine. Mat here because there's a lot of rocks and I don't want it to be. I will probably have to wash this upstairs at some point. Just gonna leave it out for now, and I want to show you guys of me vacuuming this. Some change in there. All right. It's not the okay. Ready? Ooh. Okay. So I have to change the handles here because I am now doing the floor and this would be best for it. I'm just going to put this on the side here. A lot of rocks here in Yellowknife for wet. The rocks are not even being picked up. Maybe this is more for like hair, dog hair, hey? I mean, it's picking up some there, but the rocks are not happening right now. Well, slowly getting there. dirt here because there's a whole bunch of I don't know how to do it yet. Okay, give me a second here. There you go. Oof. Oof, that's disgusting. Okay. There you go. Put that back in there. I should have wore gloves. Oh well. I guess we have to make sure it's on that there. And it should snap on here. There you go. So let me change it to the other one. I'm not sure what this lighting is for, so let's try that one out. Maybe it's gonna light up here. Where's that? Inflation. Oh, I guess oh yeah, I also got this because it also does tire, I think, to get air pressure on the tire, which I haven't used yet. If you can see that info there. Multifunction cyclone vacuum cleaner. See if you see this inflation and lighting. I'm not sure how the lighting works. I'm sure you can see it maybe. Oh, okay. I don't know if you see that there, but there's a lighting here if it was dark. I don't need the lighting because it's during the day, so I turn that off. But let's try this again. But it'll give me that. Okay, it picks up really well still. Okay, it looks like with the rock is much better to pick up with this. It's pretty good. I'm gonna just remove this tip here. Pretty good the way it suctions, right? Compared to what I used, though, I bought one last time off someone, and it was a brand from Canadian Tire here, and it didn't even suction that well. Compared to this is much better, and probably around the same price, you guys. So, all right, you guys, I'm just gonna do now the driver's seat. As you can see, look how much. It's okay. Yeah, look how much dirt is in here. It's like, oh yeah, let me just, oh, I should have wore fucking gloves. It's okay, better luck next time for sure. And look how much dust. Wow, this is just from winter. That's disgusting. Oh. All right, I'm gonna lay that there. And all that rock. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take off the thing so it's quicker. Wow, it's pretty good. The angle here is much better than the one on the other side, as I was having a hard time like looking at things there. And look at here. That's a lot of rock. That's from Yellowknife Roads of Slippery. They put a lot of rocks in there. Impressed with the vacuum so far. It's pretty strong. will definitely not leave the vacuum in the vehicle, as I don't want it to get stolen like last time. It was not fun. I'm not gonna buy a new one either. Very nice vacuum. Okay, I'm gonna use this one for smaller ones here. Good. So hi guys, this is not the back seat, and it's like the grossest part of the vehicle, I think. Look at this crap right here. Oh, oh, I should have worn mask and gloves. Alright, let's do this quickly because my son is getting tired here. He's upstairs waiting. Hi guys, sorry, I didn't realize that I didn't make the closing video for this review, but I will do that right now. So this is I just went directly to the site right now. So currently it is unavailable. So this is the Buture 8000 PA handheld vacuum malfunction, tire inflation, strong cyclonic suction. I did like the whole idea of that I can use it for my tire as in the wintertime here in Yellowknife, because it's so cold, the tire pressure goes down, and last winter I was getting warning a few times for the air tire, and the year before I went to Shell here in town and I used their tire pressure, and it ended up causing me money. There was, I think, water that went into the tire, which I then had to fix and had to pay. Anyways, I didn't want that to happen again, so this is why I decided to get something that is multi-functioning, basically. So anyways, this is the vacuum. There you go here. You can definitely check this out on Amazon. I love that it's 10 feet long, the wire, and I basically got everywhere with no problem. if you want to check out more info, definitely. It looks like customer ratings by feature, suction power. Overall, I was really impressed with the suction compared to what I used from Canadian Tire. So I was pretty happy with it. With the price I paid, very, very good price. I think I paid like, I'm not exactly sure here, maybe around like $70-$80, and it might have even had a $10 off or something like that. I'm not exactly sure how much it was last time, but I can check. There's many you can check on the Amazon, but I just felt like this one was calling out my name, so I purchased this. So anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, or comment down below if you have any questions. Please follow my social media account, Instagram, BB Joyce, and also Facebook as well. And I'm also trying to dabble on TikTok, but not as much there because, yeah, it's a lot of work, you guys, being in social media. Anyways, all right, you guys, I will see you next time. Bye.